Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Allove here. I believe it's my first time trying a wig from this company and I'm so excited. So this is today's packaging. So it looks, excuse my nails, I'm gonna fix them in a few. So let's get into what's on the inside. So before we get to the wig, I got a pair of lashes. I got a wig cap, a comb. Ooh, this comb looks so cute, so pretty. A nice white tooth comb, perfect for wash day. Okay, I got a pack of clips. These trendy clips right here, these are so cute. Got like 5 different styles, as you guys can see. That's so nice. I got a bonnet. How cute. And lastly, so that's it for all the goodies, we got the wig, guys. So this is today's wig, guys. It's a nice luscious chocolate brown colored straight wig. So you know, this is in its natural state, so of course it doesn't, when you get a straight texture, if it's in its natural state, when you receive it, it won't look like bone straight. So this is how it looks. We're actually working with 28 inches today. You know, it's nice and full. I love that. The color is nice. You guys know I've been rocking more chocolate brown like hair looks since recent time, so I'm happy about that. This is also a 13x4 transparent lace frontal wig, right? So you see that? Yeah, and it's 13x4, like for the mid portion for the most part, and then on the sides it doesn't have as much depth. So that's how they've been doing the wigs for a while now. So it inside of the wig has 3 combs and it has adjustable straps here in the back as well for more security. So yeah, so this also comes lightly pre-plucked. So that's how it looks at the hairline and stuff. How the hair feels, you could definitely tell that it's been processed. Okay, it doesn't feel like super silky, you know. So I noticed that right off the bat. Am I getting shedding? I got 1 strand. So yeah, it's minimal, which is standard, minimal shedding. And yeah, that's how that looks. So today's install, guys, I'm actually going to be doing a glue install with this hair, this wig, because I'm feeling it and I want to rock out with it to go out for the weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installation. I went ahead and slipped on the wig, and you know, as I said before, it's a standard like construction in terms of the hairline. I suggest if you want to do more, you definitely can. It's not like we're working with that super delicate lace here, so you could go ahead and feel free to like bleach the knots, tint it, pluck the hair further. This is just an option to show you that it can also be worn straight out of the box. And I always try my best to show, you know, especially like the people who are like more on the beginner side, people who are easing into things, also people who don't have that much time to do that much customization to a wig that they just bought. So yeah, so what I did, as usual, you know, I'm lining up the hairline with my natural hairline to ensure that, you know, it fits around my ears properly and comfortably. And as I said before, I'm doing a glue install, and so you know, I always do it in halves, and so I cut in the middle there and I proceed to wiping away the area that I'll be applying the glue. No, I'm not doing a ball cap method today. I don't do a ball cap method most of the times, you know. You know, that's just me. You know, as I said, a ball cap method can help with, you know, the install lasting even longer. So usually I'll do one for that reason. Also, it's good to, you know, just protect your hair and your edges and stuff. But what I do, I never, if you guys notice, I'm not even applying the glue on my edges. That's not safe, and I mean, unless you don't love your edges. But I never ever practice to put glue on my edges. Okay, I always put it in front of it. I don't care what nobody says. That's what I do. It's what I like, and it works for me, and I really don't have no complaints in terms of working, you know, especially with somebody like me that works with so many wigs on a daily basis. You know, this way of doing it is just better for me. It works way better. So of course, you know, I go ahead and I dry down the glue once I'm finished with applying it and kind of just distributing it evenly. I did 3 layers of glue for today's install because I wanted this to last for a good time. So usually when I'm going for to wear the wig for a longer period, I'll do at least 3 layers of glue. If you want it to last like over a week or so, you could go up to like maybe even 6 layers. The other day I traveled, I believe I did 4 layers, and it lasted me like, I believe 6 or 7 days. It was amazing. I didn't have to retouch it or anything. So that's amazing. So this is my 3rd layer that I'm on right now, and as I said, I'm just, you know, spreading that out evenly with my rat tail comb, and then I dry that down with my blow dryer on cool air. So once I'm done with that and everything is clear and tacky, I then lay the lace on top of that and press it in and ensure that it's sticking really nicely. So right here I kind of fast forwarded everything. You know, what I did was really cut off the excess lace. I showed this portion a lot in my videos, so I felt like, you know, I could just be through that part. And now I'm pretty much just laying the front there with my hot comb. I'm doing my 2 swoops today for sure, so that's why you see I have those 2 pieces out in the front. And after I'm finished with laying everything and it's looking flat to my liking, then I cut away the excess hair. So I'm still laying it because I wanted a really nice, flat, sleek looking install. And I decided that I would rock the hair, you know, in its straight state. So I'm doing a center part, and it was quite, I must say guys, it was quite easy working with this wig. It didn't give me any hassle, you know, really and truly, really didn't. And as I said before, you know, these chocolate brown colors are really growing on me. I've been rocking them more since recent times. I've rocked like a really nice curly brown wig. I've done body wave, you know, I've done straight, and here I am doing another straight, and it's just really gorgeous. And I feel like this type of chocolate brown is perfect for fall. Fall is coming, so like, yes, it is a vibe. I love it. It's cute. Here I was just laying the top of the hair, the parting with my hot comb, and guys, you see how nice and flat that's laying? It was so therapeutic for me to do this. Like, the flatter it looked, the more I wanted to keep on running over it with my hot comb. I don't know what it is, but it was so satisfying to me. So I kept on just, you know, running my comb through that, getting it as flat as possible. Further down, I kind of used some concealer to make the parting a little bit more precise. Nothing too heavy. And yeah, so I went ahead and got glammed off camera, as you can see, and I did use a concealer to make the parting brighter there. I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't do too much with, I didn't want it too bright or noticeable, so I never got too hard on it, you know. So what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna run through the wig, the entire wig, with my flat iron. Today I'm using my Cliposy flat iron to get this nice and bone straight. And I must tell you guys, I was so pleased with when I was done straightening this. It was so nice and silky, and the movement and everything was just like butter. It was really gorgeous. So that was a go again. Like, the texture turned out really nice, because I remember in the beginning part of this video I was telling you guys that it's not as silky. Yes, it's not like extremely silky, but once I flat ironed it, it definitely gave that silky, buttery kind of flow, and I love that. final look with the hair. I'm not lie. I remember I started out the video saying that it's not as silky or whatever. Now that I straighten it, of course it should feel better, and it does. But I'm also impressed with the movement, because sometimes, you know, after their process they don't have a great movement and stuff like that. This is moving so nicely, and the luster looks nice and natural. It really looks good, so I am impressed with that. So shout out to Allove here. Once more, the wig is doing what it's supposed to do. Like, it's really gorgeous. So I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig as usual in my description box, so go ahead and check that out, as well as the direct link if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself. It will be listed. And that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, I have a whole get ready with me, like, of my, you know, updated look here. You guys know I love a nice soft glam, and I use like 95% of new products for this whole look. And, you know, I'll show you my outfit and all those stuff in the get ready with me, so just stay tuned for that video. That video will be up like maybe this week, so stay tuned, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. They'll be calling me